Hello everyone, May here. Welcome to my channel. So today I was lucky to be able to unbox this the Rituals Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. So this Rituals Sakura box gift set for free. So thanks to Triazen and Rituals. So let's go ahead and open this up. So see this, there's this pretty card here. It says Sakura in kanji character in Japanese, and then you can put name on here to gift it someone. So that's very nice. So what's in here is for renewing bestsellers. Shower foam, body cream, shower scrub, and hand wash. So let's see inside. So this says happiness can be found in the smallest of things. So I'm going to open this box. Ta-da! Ooh, they're very beautiful. So this one is the Ritual of Sakura. Oops. Take this out. So it says the Ritual of Sakura, celebrate each day as a new beginning, and this is sensational foaming shower gel. So this is the shower gel. It's organic rice milk and cherry blossom. And this is Magic Touch body cream. And this is the softening rice scrub. And the last but not least, this is the hand wash. And they all smell very, very good. Smell like sakura. They all have slightly different smell, but they all smell very good. So let me put this body cream on my hand and see. So I just put that on my hand, and then it just smells amazing. I love this smell.
It smells like rainbows.
Yeah, my daughter says it smells like rainbows. So cute. So yes, I can't wait to try all these in the shower, and I'll probably update how it was. Hand wash. I can't wait to try this hand wash. It's very nice. Okay, so well, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.